Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to prepare for Ielts from zero only ways. Start by committing to daily practice and a clear schedule, focusing on listening, reading, writing, and speaking with realistic goals. Use graded materials, practice tests, and spaced repetition to build vocabulary and grammar. Record your speaking, get feedback, and simulate exam conditions weekly. Track progress with measurable targets, and adjust study intensity as needed to reach band goals. Build a 12-week plan with daily tasks and weekly mock tests to measure progress. Rotate skills each day and include focused grammar and vocabulary sessions. Use real past papers for reading and listening practice, and time yourself strictly. Schedule speaking partners or tutors twice a week to practice fluency and coherence, and write essays under exam timing to build speed and accuracy. Stay flexible and adjust based on mock exam results to maximize learning. Focus on active practice to convert passive knowledge into usable skills. Shadow listening exercises, timed readings, and regular essay planning sharpen technique and exam stamina. For speaking, practice with prompts, record responses, and compare to band descriptors for focused improvement. Review errors diligently and keep an error log to track recurring mistakes. Use spaced repetition for vocabulary and do error analysis after every practice session. Celebrate small wins to keep motivation high.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.